In previous video, we discussed how to use select statement, how to use where statement, how to use multiple predicates, how to use wildcards. If you haven't watched that video, I highly suggest you to watch it, and after that continue to this video. Now we will be discussing how to work with nothing, like discussing null values. Then we will discuss how to use order by, how to sort the data with ascending and descending order, and how to use offset. We are using SSMS again, and as for our testing database, we will be using again AdventureWorks database. Let's write a simple select statement, and let's select data from this table again. When you select, you will see that under title, we have this kind of thing called null. Null means that a value has not been entered for a particular column in a row. So, as for title, when business entity ID is 1, title has not been entered. You can filter your data by null. For example, you can write where title is null, and you will be able to select the data where our title is null. Also, you can use is not null, and null values will be eliminated. This is for like null value. Let's move on to the next subject called ordering. For example, when you select this data from this table, here you will see that you have business entity ID ordered by ascending order, starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on. But what if that you want your data to be ordered descending order? For example, starting with the maximum value and going lower. That is very simple. You can just write order by, use column name, business entity ID, and write desk. Desk stands for descending. We have our data ordered by descending order. If your data will be ordered with descending order, by default, you can order by ascending order with just writing this ask. By default, if you write this order by and if you will not include ask or desk, by default, it will know that to put your data with ascending order. Also, you can use this order by to order your data by the date. For example, we have this modify date here, right? And I want to order my data with like descending order by the date. You will just include again your column name and just type in descending order desk. And as you can see, it starts with the maximum year and goes to lower. And also you can order it by ascending order, obviously. This is very easy to use. You can also use the order by clause to reduce the data set returned by the query. This is helpful when you have like large table but only need to subset of the rows of your application, only requires a small portion of given data set, right? There are two keywords used to return only a subset of this select row. This first is offset. For example, when you order your data, let's order our data again with business entity ID, and let's use the default value with ascending order, right? But we want to like return only the rows. For example, if you write offset 10 rows, you will see that first 10 rows will be missed and it will start counting from 11s, right? You can write here any number like this, and you will be like jumping over first 100 rows. This is it for this lecture. We discussed how to use null values, we discussed how to use order by, and we discussed how to use offset. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.